So Snoop, what's your favorite garden herb to pick and cook with?
It was always something green. It was either broccoli or garlic. Is that qualified as a...
That's not a herb. Garlic could be considered a herb. Well, cannabis?
Oh, boy, do I love that herb. Check this out, Martha. You have been known to be a thirst trap pro. What are some of your secrets to these ladies out there that don't know how to get it done?
I don't like to give away all my secrets, Snoop. You know that.
I do
but
know that.
Try to look good morning, noon, and night.
That's 3 phases of the game, baby. Can you stand that? What's one of your favorite things to smoke?
Well, there are 2 things, turkeys and chickens.
Smoked chicken and smoked turkey. Sounds like my kind of party.
What are 3 essentials you keep within arm's reach?
Definitely my phone. Music and my lighter. My easy reach big lighter. Keep it in reach. Yeah, see, now we adding our flavor to this.